10 basic maintenance items can keep you on the road and save you up to $1,200 per year in car repairs. You can do some of the repairs yourself, but if you have no clue what you're doing and you don't have any tools, find an ASE-certified mechanic or a technician to do the work for you. So if you decide you want to do your own repairs and you get into a project like, brakes, major engine repairs, and get in too deep and need help, it could cost you even more. For some, the tool police should come before you get started and save you a headache and a bigger bill. These 10 tips will save you a lot of money. Welcome back, I'm Lauren Fix. If this is your first time here, we give you more than car reviews and first looks of new vehicles, we give you car smarts, because knowledge is power. Make sure to subscribe and click that little bell so you don't miss anything. Number 1, fluids. Check the 9 fluids in your vehicle. They need to be changed or replaced based on what your owner's manual says. So what are those 9 fluids? That's a good question. It's oil, gas, brake, coolant, differential. You've also got power steering, air conditioning, which is a coolant. You've also got washer fluid, gasoline, and the optional clutch, which is 10. Number 2, car filters need to be replaced on a regular basis. Transmission fluid, fuel filters, engine oil filters. A lot of these things need to be done. Again, that is something you might want to have a technician look at. Number 3, hoses. Inspect hoses every time the oil is changed. If you don't change it yourself, a technician should be checking those, because if they fail on the road, that's going to lead to a big expense. Number 4, belts. Check those V-belts, those serpentine belts. They get loose and they get worn, and if they start to shred, that will leave you on the side of the road, and some engines could leave you with a big bill. Number 5, brakes. The only thing that stops your vehicles. You've got rotors, brakes, and pads, very common, but also that brake fluid needs to be changed, and this is a very important safety item that, if you're proactive, can save you a lot of money. All these tips and more are in my book, Lauren Fix's Guide to Loving Your Car. The link is down below. Number 6, battery. Battery connections need to be cleaned, but also if a battery doesn't start your vehicle, especially in these new vehicles with all this new technology, you're having trouble starting it, that's a sign it needs to be replaced. And if you wait and get stuck on the side of the road, you're gonna have a towing bill as well as a battery fee. Number 7, tires. Check your tire pressure once a month, including your spare if you have one. Checking your tire pressure is easy. The number's inside your driver's door. You check it with a digital tire pressure gauge. Everyone should have one. They're about $5 to $10, and that will give you longer life, save you money, and give you better braking and handling, especially when it's raining. Number 8, alignment. Have your car aligned and checked at least once a year. This will reduce the wear on the tires and save you money. 9, wiper blades. Replace them every 6 months. 80% of your driving decision is based on visibility, and you need to see clearly. Number 10, get help. If you have no clue what you're doing, find a trusted ASE-certified mechanic. You can go to places like caradvise.com and book it all online and save yourself money and time. Here's the bottom line. It's common to get busy and put off car maintenance. We've all been there, but preventing minor issues from becoming major car trouble is easier and less expensive than you think. In fact, proper car care can save you up to $1,200 a year in emergency repairs. Check your owner's manual to find out when things need to be replaced and repaired and what's the proper interval. If you got value from this video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. If you have any car repair questions, put them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to get you an answer. Don't forget to check out our website, carcoachreports.com. It's in English and in Spanish for more information, and we have some new contributors. And there's great information I put out on social media on all platforms at Lauren Fix. Check out our podcast, Total Car Score. We're having a great time. We'd love you to join us. It's on all platforms. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.